Hello, fellow crafters and artisans. My name is Larkin, and today we're going to discuss how I made this round welcome sign with all this lovely fall theme. First thing we need to talk about is the design. I'm capable of designing my own products, but whether you're running a business or a full-time mom or dad, you know that time is extremely important. And I have found that a place called DesignBundles.net is one of the best places to get all types of designs, whether it's for signs, making tumblers, laser cut files. If you can dream it up, they've probably got something that'll work with your project. And their prices are extremely affordable. I'm not affiliated with DesignBundles.net, but the links that you would find in the description are affiliate links, and they will give me a small percentage to help the channel while not adding anything extra to your cost. So if you decide to use them, check them out. Okay, I went down to this 25 fall round sign bundles that I had bought. You can see the price is $2.99, which is extremely reasonable for that many designs. And I downloaded the files and picked the ones that I wanted before importing them into my design program. I use Vinyl Master DSR, which is a professional sign design program, but you can also use Cricut Design Space or the one that comes with Silhouette. They all can read SVGs just fine. I started by separating the SVG into different colors so it would happen cutting out the project. And to save time, I went ahead and got all the cutting and the wing and taping done in advance. So now we'll get on to actually making the signs. This is a 14-inch round wood blank. Did I just say 14-inch round wood blank? That I painted both sides and sprayed on a clear coat for protection. The clear coat also helps to have a slick surface for the permanent adhesive vinyl. For this sign I used Oracal 651 and StarCraft permanent adhesive vinyl. Links to both can be found in the description. Can't forget the pumpkin hat. I probably shouldn't measure here, but I've been doing this a long time, so just eyeing it should be fine on this one. Once the black layer is down, it can be used to place the others correctly. The truck body can be lined up with the wheels. These little embellishments were not part of the design file, but I thought it needed a little extra something. Now we're ready for the floral spray. I don't even know if that's the right term for that. That is not my forte. The floral spray is a mixture of Thanks for watching.